Welcome back to The Explainer, everyone. Today, we are rigorously deconstructing the exact blueprint for creating a highly engaging, 90-second AI-generated animated cartoon. Seriously, if you've ever wanted to take a totally simple idea and transform it into a vibrant, captivating piece of educational content, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to look at the raw structural bones of this process, taking it apart piece by piece so you can replicate it perfectly yourself.
So, ever wondered how to instantly grab an audience's attention using just a script and artificial intelligence? Right off the bat, by using this blueprint's highly energetic narrator hook methodology, we're literally putting this concept into practice right now. The secret doesn't just lie in the technology. It's all about the deeply structured way you present your information, especially the custom dialogue you choose to add into the mix.
Okay, here's our rapid-fire roadmap for today. We'll hit the explainer script anatomy, move right into crafting engaging dialogue, tackle the AI creation workflow, and finally, look at generating custom scripts.
Let's dive right into Section 1, the explainer script anatomy, blueprinting a structured 90-second narrative. Now notice how rigidly this blueprint maps out the narrative pacing. Look at those exact timestamps. You've got the hook getting a strict 10 seconds, the intro takes us to the 20-second mark, then it's 40 seconds for point 1, 60 for point 2, and 80 seconds for point 3, bringing it all home with a tight wrap-up right at 90 seconds. It dedicates exactly 20 seconds to each main point. That's not an accident, you guys. It's totally designed to ensure maximum viewer retention, constantly refreshing the auditory and visual inputs right before the viewer's brain even has a chance to wander.
Moving on to Section 2, crafting engaging dialogue, bringing the AI narrator to life.
Here is where things get really fun, because this blueprint is essentially an empty shell until you step in and add dialogue of your own choice. Let's say, just as a fun example, our topic is why cats purr. Those opening 10 seconds absolutely demand a punchy, question-based hook to trigger a reaction. So you might script something like, ever wondered why your cat sounds like a running motor? Today we're breaking feline purring down in a fun cartoon style. You're injecting that energetic custom voice right from the jump.
Next up is the intro phase. Notice how the dialogue specifically promises a time-bound solution. It pairs so perfectly with upbeat music and engaging animations. Filling in the blanks for our cat example, you'd write, "Hi, I'm your host. Let's dive into the science of purring and uncover the secrets in just 90 seconds." By saying that exact duration out loud, you're making a contract with the viewer. You're respecting their time and giving them a compelling reason to stick around.
Then, boom, we hit the first main section, right around the 20 to 40-second mark. Here, the dialogue naturally shifts to delivering an interesting fact. For your custom dialogue, you might write, point number 1, the healing frequency. Did you know a cat's purr vibrates at a frequency that can actually promote bone healing? That hits them with immediate, unexpected value, while the AI generates a cool visual of a sound wave healing a bone.
Now, the absolutely crucial point here is the transition. Your dialogue needs to explicitly connect the concept to the viewer's reality. You'd script it kind of like this. Point number 2, it's a survival tool. Here's why that matters. When a cat is stressed at the vet, purring is their natural way of self-soothing. The audience instantly understands the practical, real-world application because your specific dialogue guided them there.
Okay, to keep people from losing focus at that critical 1-minute mark, the script template throws in a funny snippet. You know, cognitive fatigue is a real thing. So you'd script point number 3. Not all big cats can purr. Look at this fun example of a roaring lion wishing he could rumble like a house cat. It introduces this perfect moment of levity right when they need it most.
Which brings us to the final wrap-up at the 80 to 90-second mark. The narrator delivers a super fast-paced summary, driving a hard call to action in basically 10 seconds flat. So there you have it. Cats purr to heal, soothe, and communicate. Want more science secrets like this? Hit subscribe and follow for more. It's clean, efficient, and tells them exactly what to do next.
All right, Section 3, the AI creation workflow, from text script to animated screen.
The source material categorizes our recommended tools into 3 distinct levels of complexity. First, you have the AI cartoon text-to-video generators, where you literally just paste your script and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Second are prompt-based style selectors. These give you a bit more control to input text and pick a specific visual vibe. And third, you've got comprehensive AI tools that handle the whole shebang: voiceover, animation, music, export options, you name it. You basically just pick your tool based on whether you want to paste and go or really get in there and art direct. Let's walk through this incredibly streamlined workflow step by step.
Step 1, paste that custom script into the AI. Step 2, choose your cartoon style. Step 3, hit generate and let the automated animation and voice synthesize. Step 4, review your output and export. And Step 5, upload directly to your socials. It's wild how easily a well-formatted dialogue script translates into a completely automated, polished final product.
Finally, Section 4, Generating Custom Scripts, the final missing pieces. Now, to get an AI assistant to write a script that fits this exact 90-second blueprint, you really only need to feed it 5 specific pieces of information. Number 1, your topic. Number 2, the visual style. 3, the target audience. 4, the preferred length. And 5, your key points. By just giving an AI those 5 simple data points, you unlock the full power of the blueprint without ever having to stare at a blank page.
And this is the ultimate takeaway right here. The blueprint ensures that simply describing what you want outputs a completely production-ready document. The AI doesn't just hand you a block of text, it gives you exact scene directions and a perfectly interwoven, energetic narration timed specifically for that 90-second window. It handles all the formatting so you don't have to.
And that brings us to the end of our explainer. You know, by strictly adhering to this blueprint, the heavy lifting of pacing, formatting, and even animation is completely outsourced. So if the AI is handling all the busy work of the framework, what highly original story are you going to describe next? This tool literally frees you up to focus entirely on your own unique creative vision. Thanks so much for learning with us today.